Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine Error Code N-21. As per our research, the error comes when players try to load into a mission with a friend, but instead of entering the mission, they get kicked back to the battle barge with the error. According to our research, there is no official information on the error, but based on the user forums, the error is likely related to a network issue or temporary server problem. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the router. Simply shut down your device and router, then disconnect them from the power source, then wait for around 5 minutes and then restart both. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try validating your game files. To do so, go to your game launcher, access the game settings, and select the option to verify or validate the game files. Once the process is complete, check for the error again. If validating game files doesn't help, then try switching to another network. It can be any other Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. So connect your device to the alternate network and check if this helps. If none of these steps work, then probably the issue is from the server side. In this case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again later. Meanwhile, you can also check the official Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine Discord server to see if there are any recent updates regarding the server issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.